have Samsung Galaxy J3 Prime, and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset by using the settings of the Samsung. So at the very beginning, let's unlock the screen. Let's choose apps. Here you need to find and select the settings. Let's select here general management, choose reset and select the factory data reset. So here we've got the information about the process, tab reset, and to delete all personal data, customize settings and installed apps, let's choose delete all. Right now the device is performing the hard reset. Let's wait until the whole process will be completed successfully. If the device switched off, you can press power key to turn back on, and as you can see, the hard reset is done. The welcome panel pops up on the screen, so it means that everything went well. Now you can start activate your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.